Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Here to show you a very pretty 79 Camaro Z28. This is a one owner original car. It's got the 5.7 liter with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. It does come in a 4-speed manual transmission, triple black with the gold trim, the gold wheels. And I honestly don't know if the 1979 Z28 as fresh as this car is. I mean, I don't even know what to say. It's so nice. 40,000 miles on it. All original.
Cool.
Can't wait to drive it.
When Shane's excited to drive one for the video, you know it's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice car. I only like to drive nice ones.
All right, we'll get right to it.
Got a cold start and test drive on our 1979 Z28 Trans Am.
Cool.
One owner car. And she is as nice as it comes. I mean, it's practically like new. I don't really see what's not new about it. Put it that way.
I like that steering wheel.
Steering wheel's sweet. It's such grip. I mean, hold on. Got a slowpoke Daryl in front of us. Car. All right, so anyways, all the gauges are working. Everything works in this car. There seems to be a slight issue with we pulled the fuse to the cigarette lighter. The cigarette lighter and the radio are connected.
Yeah.
We'll get to the bottom of why that's not working for you. But it does have a nice Bluetooth stereo. So once we figure that out, you'll be able to have a good radio and cigarette lighter that'll work.
Some power windows here. Working good.
Punch it, Daryl.
We got a little bit of traffic. I'm gonna stop the video and we'll restart when we start rolling. All right, the traffic has subsided, so here we go.
Alright, so the shifting pattern on it feels awesome. The clutch feels awesome. The steering feels awesome. The brakes.